In this video, I'll guide you through how to export emails from Gmail, whether you're creating a backup, moving to a different email service, or just want a copy of important messages for your records. Exporting your Gmail data is a smart habit to build. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a way that's easy to follow even if you're not very technical. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account you want to export from. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use multiple Gmail addresses. Once you're signed in, you don't actually export directly from the Gmail screen itself, but from your Google account settings, which is where Google lets you manage and download all your data. At the top right, look for your profile picture or your initial inside a circle. Click that and then choose the option that takes you to your Google account. This opens a separate page where you manage things like security, privacy, and data for your whole account, not just Gmail. On this Google account page, you'll see a menu or tabs for different sections. You want the area related to your data. Look for something labeled Data and Privacy or similar. Once you're there, scroll until you find the section for downloading or exporting your data. This is part of a Google service often referred to as Google Takeout, which is designed specifically for creating a copy of the information stored in your account. Click the option that says Download Your Data. This will open a page listing all the different types of data tied to your Google account, such as Drive files, calendar entries, contacts, and of course, mail. By default, many of these may be selected, but since we're only focusing on Gmail, it's usually easier to deselect everything and then choose just what you need. Look for the entry labeled Mail or Gmail. Once you find it, select it. You may also see an option to choose specific labels if you only want certain folders like your inbox or a particular category, but if you want a complete backup of all your messages, leave it set to include all mail. This ensures that every email and folder in your account is included in the export. After you've selected your emails to export, scroll to the bottom of the page and continue to the next step. Here, Google will ask how you want to receive the file and what format you prefer. The most common option is to get a download link sent to your email, and the default file format is usually fine for most users. If you're just backing up for personal safety, you can stick with the standard settings. Now, confirm your choices and create the export. Google will begin preparing your file. Depending on how many emails you have, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You don't need to stay on the page. You'll get a notification or an email when your archive is ready. Once your export is complete, open the email from Google or go back to the download section and click the link to download the file. Save it somewhere safe on your computer or an external drive. The downloaded file will typically be compressed, so you may need to unzip it before viewing or importing it into another email client. And that's it. You've successfully exported your emails from Gmail and created a secure copy you can store, move, or use as needed.